Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making Honey Almond Coconut Granola. This crispy, crunchy granola is so delicious and it's so much better than store-bought. It's quick and easy. Let me show you guys how to make it. So first, we're going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. So go ahead and grab a large mixing bowl and we're going to add in our rolled oats. Next, we're going to add in our wide flake coconut. Next, we're going to add in our almonds. Then we're going to add in our quinoa. So now I love using ground vanilla bean whenever making homemade granola. It's really going to give this granola a true vanilla flavor and it's going to be so delicious. Plus, we're not going to lose any of it because when you add in a hot liquid into something like vanilla extract, it'll just burn off. And we're going to be adding in a hot liquid when we melt our oil to combine this granola. And so that's why I use ground vanilla bean here. So I'm using whole almonds with their skins today, but if you guys want to use sliced almonds or slivered almonds, those also work too. And if you want to use a different nut, you totally can. Cashews, walnuts, and pecans are all a great swap. So now we're going to set this aside and grab a small pot for our wet ingredients. So now I have a small pot with our coconut oil. Then we're going to add in our coconut sugar. And then we're going to add in our honey. So I like to weigh my honey directly into the pot. This is going to ensure we get the exact amount. Plus, it's so much easier than using a measuring cup. Then we're going to add in half a cup of water. And then just a little bit of salt. So now we're going to put this over medium heat and heat until the honey and sugar is completely dissolved in the coconut oil. Now we're going to pour the melted coconut oil mixture over the oats. Now we're going to stir it together to combine everything completely. Now we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and transfer the granola and spread it out evenly. So once the granola is all spread out evenly, then we're going to bake this at 325 degrees for 20 minutes. Then we want to stir the granola. Stirring it is super important because it's going to bring that outer granola into the middle and put the middle granola onto the outer edges so it can brown easily. It's also going to ensure that it's cooked fully and everything is super toasty. So then you're going to bake it again for another 20 to 25 minutes or until it's golden brown. So once the granola is golden brown, then it's ready. Now you just want to let it cool on the baking sheet completely before breaking it up. This is going to make sure that you get those big kind of crunchy clusters. You can enjoy this homemade granola with milk, yogurt, on top of a smoothie bowl, or even by the handful. It's so delicious and it's free of seed oils and other things that are in store-bought granola that you really don't need. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more better than store-bought recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.